Body stories. Your body telling a story to you. Listen it carefully. Fever. Hi, I am your body. Today I am telling a story of fever. I know me as a body gets fever more often. But do you know what is fever? Know the condition before taking any treatment. First of all, fever is not a disease. It's one of my defense mechanism which helps me to manage infection. Actually, what happens is whenever any bacteria or virus comes inside the body, our helper T cells got to know that and then they ask me to manage. So, I order immunity cells to produce appropriate antibodies, but it needs some days, at least 3 days if infection is new to us. So, I should do something to prevent that bacterial or viral growth. Otherwise, the infection starts to grow very rapidly and then it becomes hard to control it. So I increase the body temperature up to certain level where that bacteria or virus can't be able to spread in body. You call it as a fever. I feel my fever is like your lockdown. How? When new virus comes in India, government started to manage it. So, to manage it, there was only one option to treat corona effectively. But to find appropriate treatment, government and doctors needed some time. So until then, to prevent rapid growth of corona, government applied lockdown. Lockdown didn't help to treat corona, but it makes virus to spread slowly and gives more time to find out a good treatment method, right? Same thing happens inside us. Whenever some new infection comes in body, our immunity needed some days to form antibodies. So until then, I have to manage its spread by whatever means. So I produce fever. So fever is my defense mechanism and not a disease. Ayurvedic science and modern science both knows this fact. But what do? You think fever is a disease and you reduce fever immediately by taking various medicines. That reduces temperature and you feel like you cure disease immediately. But you know what actually happens inside? Reducing fever forcefully is like breaking the lockdown rules and makes virus spread faster in such a condition where you don't have proper treatment. This ultimately makes more deaths and damage to people. Same here, you reduce fever and makes infections spread faster in such a condition where I don't have proper antibodies. This ultimately makes more cell death and system damages. So, know the fever before taking treatment for it. I agree, more temperature lead to our own cell damage, but until certain level, fever is good for us. Thus, in Ayurveda, it is said that when fever is new, less than 7 days, no medicine should be given to reduce fever. Modern science also agree this. I think you got the summary of my story. If you have any questions, ask me in comments. Share and like. Important note is any type of fever should be under the vision of Vaidya or doctor even if no medicines are advised. Thank you.